Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Today we are going to discuss about three-dimensional shapes. Shapes which can be measured in three directions are called three-dimensional shapes. These shapes are also called solids. Length, width and height are the three measurements of three-dimensional shapes. These are the part of three-dimensional geometry. They are different from 2D shapes because they have thickness. Three-dimensional shapes which we generally see in our daily lives, each of these shapes is a solid and not a flat shape. For example, the ball is a sphere, the ice cream is in the form of a cone, this can is a cylinder, the box is a cuboid. The playing die is a cube. This is the shape of a pyramid. We will also learn other important terms like faces, edges and vertices etc. which are associated with these shapes. Here we get to know about shapes like cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid. Now next is faces, edges and vertices. Three-dimensional shapes have many attributes such as vertices, faces and edges. The flat surface of the 3D shapes are called the faces. Here in this figure you can see this is the flat surface, it's called the face, and the line segment where two faces meet is called an edge. Here you can see this is one face and this is other face of the figure, and the line segment where the two faces meet is called the edge. A vertex is a point where three edges meet. Now here in this figure you can see this is one edge, this is other edge and this is the third edge. So where the three edges meet is called the vertex. A prism is a 3D shape which consists of two equal ends, flat surfaces or faces, and also have identical cross section across its length. Since the cross section look like a triangle, the prism is generally called a triangular prism. The prism does not have any curve. Also prism has 6 vertices, 9 edges and 5 faces. Next is pyramid. Now what is pyramid? A pyramid is a solid shape whose outer faces are triangular. Here you can see the outer faces are triangular and meet to a single point on the top. They all meet at a single point at the top, and the pyramid base can be of any shape such as triangular or square, quadrilateral or in the shape of any polygon. The most commonly used type of pyramid is the square pyramid. The square pyramid has 5 vertices, 8 edges, 5 faces. A cylinder has 2 flat circular faces and a curved surface. It has 2 curved edges and does not have any vertices. A cone has a flat circular face and a curved surface. It has a curved edge and a vertex. A sphere has only a curved surface. It has no edge and no vertex. Exercise 5.9. Question number 1. Match the following. A part of question number 1, cone. We will match this with these figures. Here we will write A. B part of question number 1 is sphere. We will match this with figure number 4. Here we will write B. C is cylinder. We will match this with this figure. Here we will write C. D part of question number 1, cuboid. We will match this with third. This is a figure of cuboid. Here we will write D. E, pyramid. We will match this with figure number 1. We will write E over here. Now question number 2. What shape is A? Your instrument box. The shape of an instrument box is Cuboid. So here we will write answer as cuboid. B. A brick. The shape of a brick is of cuboid. So here also we will write cuboid. C. A matchbox. The shape of a matchbox is also of a cuboid. So here we will write cuboid. D. A road roller. The shape of a road roller is of cylinder. So we will write here cylinder. E. A sweet laddu. The shape of sweet laddu is of sphere. So here we will write sphere. Students, with this we end our chapter number 5. Thank you.